Wetin be your name sef? Make you no be like say I no want you o. No dey shout for me anyhow, especially when we dey field.
Why?
Why?
No, why na?
Abeg, when you come this club, you know how many years I captain this club?
If you like, follow for people wey build this foundation for this club. I go still shout for you. I never come finish, you don dey try pursue me. No frustrate me o.
Who you dey talk to like that? How I take dey frustrate you now?
You see ba, for this club where I come so, I no wan dey concede momo goals. If you mess up, I go change am for you as e dey hot.
No try that one with me o. Me and you no be mates.
It's like you know dey hear word. As long as say you be human being, I go change am for you.
It's like you wan enjoy yourself today.
Oya, you don do for una. Make una calm down. Na only friendly match we play.
Na why you go dey do giveaway?
Respect yourself o.
Oh na 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 na, yeah. Oh na na. Coach, they call you a Maguire.
No dey sing my name o. I no come play with anybody for this club.
Come inside.
Kochi, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hey, my boys.
Hey, Kochi, I go like use this opportunity take settle matter for your front.
Which matter?
Abeg, help me tell this newcomer make you no dey shout for me, because it remains small make I blow him mouth for pitch. Na just hold I hold myself.
Why you think say I carry am come this club? Make he come dey worship you.
However, Kochi, if you wan talk to me, make you do am with respect.
I no fit respect person wey dey do giveaway.
No be you I dey talk to o. I go brush you and your contract comot for here o.
Make I no hear that thing for your mouth again. Onana,
Sir?
shout for am anyhow way you want until he get sense.
Haba, Kochi.
Shut up, Joe, and make una comot for my front.
Thank God say Coach don give me permission.
Thunder go soon fire person pikin.
Hello? Pep, how far now?
See your mouth like Pep. You no dey get respect again, ba?
Wetin you mean?
You be my boy now. You suppose dey call me boss.
So because I been assist you one certain time, you think say I go forever dey call you boss?
Which one be assist me one certain time? You still dey assist me now. The Premier League trophy wey I carry no be assist to assist me. Who help me bottle am?
Your papa.
If you like dey there dey para. The reason why I call you now say I wan know how you wan take play this community shield.
I no understand.
Dey do like mumu. You wan help me bottle am abi make I just end the match for first half?
See Pep, no insult me o.
I dey try help you. You say I dey insult you. You no know say if you score 2 goals for first half, I can't score 3 goals for second half. People go think say na tough match. Allow me make I help you make this game interesting.
I swear I go punish you for this thing wey you dey do.
If na 2 goals Asian handicap, I fit run am for you. If na say you wan win first half, make I win full time, I fit run am for you. If na 3-3 you wan play full time, I can't win for PK, I fit still close and run am for you based on say you be my guy. Anything wey go help boost your bottling company business, I dey for you. I go patronize you.
Oh my God. Shebi na Saturday. No worry, you go see match run, idiot.
See person wey dey try help you.